fair.
Blowjob.
Blowjob.
Shits.
Fuck you.
Motherfucker. Whatever the fuck you want.
The bitch is back.
Pound sack of assholes. Dick kicking.
Fucking shit just went sideways. A shit show. Shit show.
Boomboxing shit. Fucked up than mine.
Blowjob.
Fuck it. Shit. Gaggle ass. Lame ass teacher's pets. Bullshit. What the shit? Shit detail. Big grown.
Fucking A.
Really gonna fuck this up for me?
Another mail call. I forgot my little gray background, so I'm using a priority mail envelope. Yep. Anyway, this is the, damn it, Deadpool guy. Okay. Boy. You know, I would not be up by now, but, well, I got up like 2 hours ago, but my phone rang. I look at my cell phone like this. I fucking pay for it. That doesn't give you the right to fucking telemarket the shit out of me. So I get this one fucking phone call. Goddamn fucking mosquito. That's not what they said. But I get this one phone call. Damn it. And, they left a voicemail. Alright, motherfucker. Press 7 if you want to be removed from our list. That's all. And then, like, I'm like sleeping because I'm really not, you know, I just want to sleep. So, fucking a minute later, the phone rings again, and it's a different number, and they left a voicemail, and they said, if you want to be removed from our list, press 7. Oh, you cocksuckers. Fucking, I would love to remove you from my list. Fucking parasite motherfuckers. Alright, enough bitching and moaning for the day. Mail call. This is the Deadpool one. This one here is the Ultratech looking inspired design one that I bought from Slash the Gash. And this is another Slash the Gash. So, I got a, okay, this time I got the little tool that they said I would get on the, to remove the screws. And they say these screws in their listing is tamper-proof red body screws, property of Mr. Pool No Touchy. This is on my switch. In quotes, tool included. So I'm not quite sure what this is on my switch means. There's my paperwork, all the other happy shit. I ordered this like 2 days ago, and they mailed it out lickety-split, and I got it like, what's today, Wednesday? I ordered it Monday. I'm like, cool, all right. This is a little heavier, and my paper's blowing away. Shame on me, motherfuckers. This is why I don't get sponsors, because I cuss too much. Well, fuck it. I am who I am. 3.5 ounces. That's what it says. And again, it didn't come in a box. This one feels a little heavier. Okay? And this blade better not be fucking red. It didn't say it was red. It better not be fucking red. Anyway, nice screws. Nice little X right here. You know? Super cool, well done. Nice texture to it. I don't know what these little buttons are. Maybe it's like a Deadpool thingy. Okay, so there's your little screws. You got a glass breaker. Oh, length is 3.5 inches on the blade. The handle is 5.25. Overall is 8.8 inches, and this blade better not be fucking, yay, it's not red. All right, this is the blade color that I wanted on the, on this one. Now, this Tanto is not really, it's kind of like, you know, it curves around. It's not really a, like, you know, sharp Tanto. Not sharp meaning whatchamacallit, you know, sharp, but just sharp. Actually, this one yesterday, I got a wild hair on my ass, and I tried to do some paint remover on this thing, and I let it soak forever and ever and ever, and it didn't come off. So this is a pretty stout looking whatchamacallit. Now, this is the Deadpool OTF CNC Tanto Extreme. This is the Extreme blade. That's what I wanted. They come in Tanto. You can get them in regular Tanto, a dagger, or Tanto Extreme, which is this. They said it's an Ultratech inspired design, and it has a black titanium surface. You need to read the fine print, because now what does that mean? It's not black titanium. It's black titanium surface. Like when they say 24 karat gold plate. Anywho, you got the glass breaker. Now the blade is they say it's a CR17 MOV. Now from what my research did, I got it's a stainless steel produced in China, and a modified version of a 440A. It boasts high levels of carbon and chromium for hardness and anti-corrosion. Also added vanadium for added strength and wear resistance. And yes, I'm reading that. You expect me to remember all that shit at one time? Are you out of your fucking mind? Well, anyway, let's see. This one feels... Let me back up my camera here. This one feels better. The handle is not, the contours are the same, but it just feels better. Okay? I don't know why. This button seems to stick out a little bit more. These little dealy bobs here, I'm not quite sure what that is, even though I like Deadpool. But I guess it's just part of the design. This is like, it's textured. I'm not quite sure what it is. Nice texture back here, texture here. This jimping, which is kind of smooth, you could put your finger on it and bear down. The grind is nice. I'm not quite sure what that is. It feels... I can't think about it right now. It just feels... two different grinds right here. You got the / Gash logo on the blade. And the / Gash logo right there. That's pretty, yeah, it was like $90, okay? I think I like that one better than I like this one, mainly because the blade is not all black. Damn, I fucking feel like shit. And I got this. I don't know if this will open up. No, these are torque screws, okay? So these are like a proprietary screw. So that's why they gave the tool, so you can take it apart. You hear me? And it doesn't void the warranty. All right, let's take a little bit of comparison size. Here, I didn't know quite what to compare it as. Here's a Benchmade Mini Osborne, and here's a Benchmade Osborne. For any of you that have, I tried to pick knives that some of you may have. Boy, my knives are dirty. It's oil residue, but I use them and I don't always clean them. So anyway, here's a Mini Osborne. The blade's about the same size. Blah, blah, blah. Not that. This is the Osborne. Sorry, this is the Mini. If you want a better review, go to a different channel. Anyway, on the Microtech, Ultratech, here's the size comparisons. Okay, the handle on this Deadpool, You son of a bitch, die. He keeps floating around, the mosquito keeps floating around my little fuzzy speaker thing that mutes the, and I don't want to smack him too hard because then I'm going to smack the camera. Bitch, moan and complain. Anyway, oh, it's a little bit longer. Yeah, the handle's a little bit longer. The blade is about the same. This one would win by a nose. Time to get a close-up. All right, there you go there. The switch is about the same. The milling's about the same. Except this one has a little more, texture here and there. The clip's about the same. Now this glass breaker is different than this one. This one you can remove just by taking an Allen wrench and put in the little holes and torque it down the same. This one would take a specialty like wrench or pair of pliers if you wanted to remove the clip. This one opens up and closes. It's not as stiff. It doesn't wear my thumb out like this one this one did, which I've been carrying this one trying to get it to loosen up. Anyway, even this Ultratech, well, after I did this like 20 times, it wore my thumb muscle out. And speaking of that, right in here, boy, there's some arthritis from hell. Anyway, getting old. All right, well, that's about it. You know what? I think it's a good deal. Here we got 2 OTF knives for $200, okay, from these guys. And yeah, they're Chinese made, but you're getting a deal. I really like this Deadpool one. I really like the red contrast. Let's check out sharpness. We'll use my cheat sheet here. Alrighty. Not bad. I mean, again, it needs a little work, and that's all right. I'll run it, give it a few passes over the stone. This one yesterday kind of did the same thing, and I stropped it, just stropped it, okay? And that ain't worked either. There. All I did was strop it, and that helps an awful lot, okay? So I'll run these over a stone a little bit. I'll be fine and dandy and ready to go. Okay, well, that's it. That's the bargain OTF of the week. And I'm going back inside, okay? And it's been a pleasure, and thanks for joining me. It's nice to see you again. You guys are fucking awesome. We'll see you. Have a great day.